Hey, welcome back to my channel. So 100 subscribers, thank you. Let's get to 1000. I really want to get this channel monetized. I really want to talk a bit about the things I like and the things I don't like about this YouTube shit I'm trying to do here. I'm closing into 2 years, but I'm stuck on 100 subscribers. The channel doesn't do that well. The second thing I don't like, I'm paying for my videos. This thing costs me money, and not only I'm paying money to Google, they actually kind of steal money from me because you'll never know how these ads work. What are you paying for? How much? The customer care of Google, it's fucking trash. The things I do like though, I really started enjoying making these short videos. Starting with this year, I actually have uploaded every week. I have changed the system a bit. I'm uploading 3 full videos and 1 batch of shorts, 7 shorts. You might have noticed that I'm starting to change some things about the channel, which is now called 187ALX TV. I'm planning to maybe do an actual giveaway at 1000 subscribers. I do have a lot of sneakers. Some of them are just slightly worn, but they look like new. A free sneaker is a free sneaker. Now let's get into the present I bought for myself. Let me show you first what I did here with the setup. First of all, I added some of my favorite hats on top. And here we have my first Adidas from the sneaker collection, my first ever Asics, my first ever Converse, 2 spaces for 2 new brands, my first ever New Balance, my first Nike from the sneaker collection, my first ever On Running, my first Reebok from the collection, another space. I had to put my first ever Vans because I put my Converse, and my first ever Y3 sneaker right here. Probably you've noticed these are in alphabetical order, so take a short guess which brands are going to be filling out this. Let's unbox this. All right. My first ever Mizuno sneaker is the Wave Prophecy X. I have been stocking this sneaker for maybe half a year now. These have a resale price. They go for extremely high prices. Also, I've noticed that the only reviews on YouTube for the sneaker are in Portuguese from Brazil. My next video is going to be a full review, the first one on YouTube in English. All right, so we have some care instructions here. Okay. I can already see some things I don't like about them and some things I like, but again, as I said, wait for my full review. So that's kind of the end of the video. Let me know what you think about these. Do me a favor and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.